Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock on him, make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work come in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's good?
Y'all still at the park?
Yeah, we at the park.
Alright, stay there. I'm at the Wawa in Mooresville. I'll be there probably like 7 minutes. Alright, bet.
Leaking, right?
Yeah, the seal.
Yeah, mine's doing the same shit. I just ordered a kit for my shit.
You got OEM or you got TUS?
I went with OEM, but I was gonna go with the TUS.
I ain't gonna lie, I feel like the OEM don't seal as good.
Yeah.
Just with like this one specifically, like YZ and shit, that OEM better, but the Honda seal, I don't know, I don't feel like it does too much.
I ain't had an issue with my shit though.
Yeah.
But I know what it is because this shit been doing this shit for the longest.
Yeah.
And I'm like, let me feel. I thought it was my fucking the hydraulic
The clutch?
No, the fucking solenoid shit over there. I thought it was that, so I took it apart, cleaned it a couple times. It wasn't that. I'm like, what the fuck is this shit? I keep cleaning my shit. My shit keep getting dirty.
Yeah, that should be the worst
Then
cleaning
I
this
looked
shit.
it up on eBay. That shit popped up. I said, that's what the fuck that shit is.
Yeah.
The fucking crankshaft shit.
What's up, bro? I'm not sure how much though, you feel me?
How much full?
Yeah, full, yeah. 93?
Okay. How much gallon? 2, 3?
It's about 1 gallon right here.
1 gallon?
Yeah.
One no store? No store? No.
That's good. My bad.
Hey, bro, what year is that?
06.
You got that shit recorded?
Ah, yeah.
It's one way right here.
Hey, bro, you one way?
Yeah, one way, yeah.
I watch your YouTube,
I
bro.
appreciate it. Hell yeah.
So I had to look at it real quick.
I'm like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
I could tell by the glove.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I'm like, yo, that's him right there. What's up, though, bro? See
What's
y'all
up?
here in Trenton and shit.
Hell yeah.
Right, you from Philly?
Yeah, Philly, yeah.
Yeah. We gotta link up with him when we go out there.
This one,
Yeah.
So you can ride out with the two?
Huh?
You can ride out with the two?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'll just be chilling right now because they on some bullshit right
Yeah, I know
now.
we went out there the other day, bro. We seen a truck with
Yeah.
mad pipes on the back.
Yeah, like,
I was out there on I was out there on Tuesday. It was pretty chilling, and then around like 6 o'clock they started going.
Yeah. They trying to gentrify Philly. That's what that is, bro.
Yeah, bro, shit. Kensington too.
They trying.
They trying to gentrify the shit out of Kensington. All right, bro.
Yeah, that's the only thing about Jersey, though. It's no chase, still.
well,
What I know
no
is
chase law, but Sundays is Sunday.
Yeah.
Sundays is fun.
They don't mess with you.
We need to go to a liquor store or a gas station. But yeah, so if we get a car, right? I'm leaving, man. Bro, now the street. That's the street. Bro, back.
Two-stroke shit over here.
So what?
So you want some two-stroke shit over here?
I'll be the fuck how we get that shit.
See Corey. Oh man.
Oh god.
There was a big ass find out down New York today.
Yeah,
Everybody.
Steve, bro. Yeah. I heard that shit was chaos as hell.
Yo, they coming like motherfuckers blitzing that shit like it was a dirt bike.
The young boy that was on the pedal bike with us last time that was getting pushed, he down there. I seen him. Yeah.
They down there with our boy Tupac. He was out there. Something like they got buses, school buses, all black, back to back. What's a pedal bike? Damn.
Alright, what's up everyone? I know these videos are very brief on what actually goes down, but if y'all want to see the full videos, they're live on the Patreon. The Patreon lets me show y'all all the action. Unfortunately, YouTube does not monetize that or show support to it at all, so I can't do anything with YouTube showing y'all all the wheelies and everything. But if y'all want to see the real bike life action, the live full video, make sure y'all subscribe to the Patreon. Like I said, it's only $4 a month, so you'll get this, plus you'll get tons of other ride outs, all these other videos of just all action. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the Patreon so y'all will get the full experience. Thank y'all. This video is also sponsored by Constant Garments, my brand. As y'all see, we just did a bike life drop. We dropped some jerseys and some gloves. Y'all see the quality on the video. Y'all see the materials. Everything's good. We only use quality materials, products, any of that. So make sure y'all go cop it. It's on the website right now. The link to the website is right here, and it'll also be in the description. I was also wearing them in this YouTube video, so if y'all like what y'all saw, make sure y'all cop up. Like I said, the website is in the description. Y'all come cop up.